Na-experience mo na bang hindi ma-appreciate sa ginawa mo para sa isang tao? When Jesus was carrying out His ministry work in Jerusalem, may 10 lalaking may leprosy ang lumapit sa Kanya for healing at pinagaling niya ang mga ito. Luke chapter 17 verse 15 to 16 reads, "One of them, when he saw he was healed, came back, praising God in a loud voice. He threw himself at Jesus' feet and thanked Him, and he was a Samaritan." All 10 asked for healing, but only one returned to give thanks. Ang pagiging mapagpasalamat is an act of faith. Gratitude is a lifestyle. Ask God to grant you a grateful heart so you can learn how to be thankful in any situation.